Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change the slice color, and also there is a number that is going to show along with the slices. So where you can find the slices. So in this toolbar, here we have this slices tool. You can use to create slices here with your artboard. So here we have this number 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have this 5 number along with slices. So you can change the color for the slice, and also you can see the numbers by just get into the preferences, and here under edit menu we have this preferences. You can click on slices, or you can just hold Ctrl K to open the preferences. You can change the slice color and also number. So I'm going to change the slices color from this light blue to this magenta, and also I'm going to uncheck this show slice numbers and hit OK. So as you can see, the color for slices now changed to magenta. If I want to make any new slices here, as you can see, the color for slices now magenta, and also there is no number that I can identify the different slices here. So I need to check this option by using the shortcut, which is holding Ctrl K on my keyboard to open the preferences first. Then under slices I have to check this show slice numbers and hit OK. When you check this option, so as you can see here we have this number for all the slices. So we have this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and we have more number of slices with a different here in my artboard with different position. So if I want to add a new slice over here, so the new slice is going to be added with a new number. So this is how you can change the color for the slices, and also you can turn on the numbers, and you can turn off the numbers for different slices as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned to change some settings of the slices and the preferences. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.